Alright, I wanted to talk a little bit about my new bed installation or bed system that I could put in the van. It's quite a good one. I mean, in terms of the bed itself, I tried sleeping in it last night, but I ended up giving up. It was just a trial run, but I didn't find the pillow very comfortable, and the blinking lights from my electrics kind of kept me up, so I just gave up, and I'll try again tonight. But anyway, this is the bed itself was pretty comfy. This is it, and this is what it looks like when it's down. It's a folding bed system, and underneath you've got basically the corridor that runs to the other side of the van. So if I just lift it up here with my hand, I can actually put the bed in place. Now, it's not perfectly seamless, but if I get the duvet out of the way, I can basically just fold it up, and I have these little magnets here that it connects to on both ends there. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so, and it does a pretty good job. Basically, it's built up of extrusions, and obviously I have these hinges, 3 of them. I might put a 4th one in at least, that are kind of bolted into this structure, and the bed, when it's folded, will take the top half of that structure here, and the lower section I'll be able to put clothes in and have like cupboards there, basically. But yeah, and so yeah, it folds up, and I've got these rubber feet. I've installed 4 of them along it that actually rest on this section of my furniture, if you like, on the other side of the van. This is the kitchenette here. It's not finished, but you can see this is the kitchen top, and it just rests on top of this, and it actually levitates. I thought like I didn't have to touch the surface here, so it actually levitates above the worktop here as it rests here, and it's pretty solid. At least it was for me last night as I slept on top of it. So yeah, you can just put it down. It's a little bit, flimsy, as you can see. Look, see the feet rest on this extrusion here, and actually doesn't actually touch anything here, so it sort of levitates just above the worktop on the far end here, as it does on the far left. And you can see even there's like a section at the end there, a corner where I'm going to have storage and stuff that it's not resting on at all. So it's actually just resting on like just as long as this structure is in place. This extrusion here is resting on this and on the hinges on the other side. So the middle is really where it's resting. And when folding it, I did find that the mattress kind of slides down. So I do have the mattress attached itself. It's got little handles on the actual mattress that I've kind of attached to the bed structure by you can see the orange bits there. They're attached to the handles. I'll lift it up again and show you the attachments. But I've also got this side panel here to stop the mattress sliding off, sliding too far down inside, sliding off the the bed structure as it's folded up, because obviously gravity pulls it down, and that works pretty well, because obviously it would kind of get a little bit stuck when I folded the bed down back into this position. Because the mattress would just sink into the side there when it was lifted up. And yeah, that's it really. I'll just fold this up again. And as you can see, these are the straps. They're attached from the handle at the handles on the mattress from both sides with these orange straps, which I've used also for the microwave here to make sure it's, you know, nicely secure. And that's it really. That's basically my bed structure. It's basically just built up of extrusions, and I have these plywood panels in between. I have obviously these longitudinal extrusions that build up most of my van's inner furniture, and then I've got these crossbars here, and then in between, because it still had big gaps, you know, for the mattress. I didn't want it to sink in, so I put these kind of plywood panels, and I bolted those down as well. And that is my is the idea. I got it originally from I think it was from Sprinter Source. I got this idea when I looked it up. I looked, someone else had done something similar, and I kind of basically just took the idea and made my own version, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, if you've got any comments about that, do leave me a comment or subscribe and everything else. But yeah, thanks for watching either way. Cheers.